Te Raranga Whanui culture group. We're on our third weekend of rehearsals, rehearsing for the competitions, regional competitions at Canbera. We're a collection of all the different groups here in Sydney, all come together under the one banner of Te Raranga Whanui. Never ever done in this way before.
From Te Raranga Whanui,
Te Puna Waiora,
and Te Raranga.
Te Raranga Whanui.
The purpose of why we're here is to transform whānau, to transform the hapu, to transform the iwi, and ultimately to transform us as Māori people. I'm a firm believer of a lot of the things that our dad teaches us, and what we see today as Māori people is not how we used to be. It's a program that came originally under Te Wananga or Aotearoa from back home. They allowed us to travel here, and so we've been in Sydney for the past 2 years, once a month, 1 week in a month, and the transformations that are happening here in Sydney are incredible. He taonga te whakarongo, he taonga te titiro. That's how our people learn. We were great observers, we were great listeners, and so we bring those teachings back to a community that may, I don't know, kind of really rely on modern technology. A lot of people perceive Kapa Haka to be quite different today. It's all about the stage. Where in actual fact we call this haerenga the amazing journey, because it's the journey of the tikanga of Kapa Haka, the real within Kapa Haka. We use Kapa Haka as a vehicle to empower our own. Numbers are climbing now to take their children home at least once every 2 to 3 months to reconnect with their mama, to reconnect with their awa, to reconnect with their marae, to reconnect with their hapu, and it's like a battery charge. I understand why our people are here, but at the end of the day, they can't whakapapa to the whenua. No amount of money can pay for what we see in transforming whānau here in Sydney and Brisbane. Special. It's got a lot to do with our parents' legacy. They've been 60 years in Kapa Haka, and I've seen the way that people have developed and grown through their teaching.
I'm responsible for Māori performing arts for Te Raranga Aotearoa. I oversee it across the nation, ensuring that what our students are learning is appropriate, relevant, meaningful, and for us it's actually about transformation of whānau through education. For me, it's the realisation that our people need to live permanently. We're a migrating people. We came to Aotearoa, we've been in Aotearoa, and the reality is we're migrating to Australia. And if I can come over and be part of something to help us maintain our culture from home, because it's easy to lose it when you get to Australia, and I believe Kapa Haka is a good vehicle to engage our people, to connect them with our Māori world, te reo mea no tikanga. What you're listening to in the background is I guess the starting of the fruits of the hard labour that we put in for the past 2 years, working in the Sydney community to combine the people together. And like I said, Kapa Haka is an awesome vehicle to engage. It's all about Poha, giving to the people and letting the people determine their fate, their destiny from there on. And I believe at the moment it's a new, exciting thing, especially like with our whānau community in Sydney, Te Raranga Whanui. Love the wairua, and I think they've got great leaders, great support people, and I just think it's going to be a tsunami. Watch this space.